Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever encountered that this phone number cannot be used for verification error while trying to set up a Gmail account, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you how to fix this issue quickly. When you try to verify your Gmail account and see this error, it's frustrating, right? But don't worry, there's an easy solution. So, here's the deal. Google limits the number of accounts a single phone number can create to help prevent abuse. If you have used your phone number too many times for verification, it just won't work anymore. To fix this, you can try using a different number, maybe from a family member or a friend. Just ask them if you can use their phone number for verification. If that's not an option, it might help to use a phone number from a different carrier. Sometimes switching carrier can solve the issue. Once you have got a different number, go ahead and try again. Enter it into the Gmail and you should be good to go. And that's it. You should now be able to complete the verification process. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next one.